Hey y'all, hey, Tanisha here. I'm so excited to share with you guys what I just received in my newest beauty and a book subscription box. This is a quarterly subscription box, and then you see that code flashing right there. You can join in too. So I'm really excited to share this with you. Don't forget, if you want more information about my subscription or to see other videos, you can check the pinned comment or the description area below. All right, so stay tuned to see what I got. Let's go ahead and jump right into what I received in the autumn box. So right here, it tells you what's in here, so they donated to somebody's class. So that's awesome. And on the back, the card has the contents, and you can change your option. So if you can pick what you want, but then they said December will only have a surprise me option, which you guys can take part in. Don't forget, go ahead and check the blog post, the pinned comment, the description area. The description area already has a coupon code. But if you go to that blog post, honey, it's all one-click action. Then it'll take you to everything you need. So let's get into it. We have book scents. Every candle has a story. And this is Autumn Ridge, the crisp scent of autumn leaves. This is so cute. I think this will be good to gift. I don't have a wax burner. Do I need to get a wax burner? Comment down below. Do I need a wax burner? I just burn candles. Am I old, y'all? Old people do that? I don't know. This is a rechargeable mirror. Meeting a more beautiful self. Okay. This is pretty. A nice, pretty rose gold color. And I love that it has the little pearl effect to it. So it's gleaming. You see it glistening? Look. Glisten. It has a mirror at the bottom, and then it has one up here as well, but the light comes from down here. All right. That's cute. Okay, so this is a book love journal. And let me make sure I'm reading this right. Yes, it's a book tracker notebook. And this was hand stitched. So it says book love here. And you can just track your book, the title, what you read, when you finished it, give a nice little summary. So I like that. That's cool. That's different. Okay, we'll save our book for last. Let's see. Here we have an ultra precision eyeliner by, I don't know how to say that. Is that Dulce? So here we have it. Okay, ultra precision liner, and then this is the tip of it here. So that's cool. Nice little liner. And you can sharpen it, so that's good. So then next we have our Peppermint Mocha palette, and this is by Ruby May. First of all, that is too cute packaging. And so Ruby May Cosmetics 9-color palette. Oh, and this says Brutiful. Oh, because it's Peppermint Mocha. It has a little mirror right here. But look, it says Your Brutiful. Oh, that's cute. And these are the colors. Oh, my goodness. Yes. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then I think, is that it? Yes. So now we get to the good stuff. The book for this box. Let's see. And that is Margaret Atwood, Alias Grace, the best-selling author of The Handmaid's Tale and The Testament. Okay. I've never read The Handmaid's Tale, but I've heard about it. So here's some information about her. I'll go kind of slow so you can kind of see what you want to know. First of all, shout out to her for having a color picture on the back instead of just a regular little picture on the inside. You better do it. Nice little thick little book. Nice, good quality. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed that unboxing. Everything was so gorgeous, and I cannot wait to use that winter theme palette. Even though it's a fall box, that winter theme palette is spot on. All right, bye.